This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We're cracking 4 boxes of 2014 Bowman Inception Baseball. This is an eBay break. Good luck, everybody. We got 4 boxes. This is the other half of the case from last night's break. Here we go. We got 1 pack and an empty box. First pack, guys. Okay, your first hit. Maikel Franco, Jersey Auto, Phillies. Good prospect there. Not a bad start. I'm an NL guy. I like him. Maikel Franco. This is a nice one. Byron Buxton for the Twins. Another nice one. Good start, guys. Buxton. Good start there. Another Twins. Miguel Sano. Twins. Back to back. This next card looks like a nice one to me. Looks pretty good to me. Here we go, Cubbies. Javier Baez. You know, I know he's not their top prospect, but boy, he's right up there. They got high hopes for him. That is a red, number 30 out of 50. Javier Baez. They got a lot of high hopes for him. He's been lighted up in the minors. Last hit, guys. Diamondbacks, Jake Lamb. Jake Lamb. Alright. That's a pretty good box there. I like that box. Not bad. Good box. Keep it rolling. 1 pack, empty box. Yeah, it was definitely a great Twins box. Definitely agree with that, Dan. Although I'm a big fan of Baez, I really am. He's been tearing it up. Alright, we got a base card. I love that. Deion Sanders. Little old school Bowman looking card. Alright, here we go, guys. The Astros, Carlos Correa. Jersey Auto. After Baez was a Jake Lamb. Diamondbacks. And there's a Correa. Jersey Auto. And I told you guys, jump on the Mets. Dominique Smith, 7 out of 75. Dominique Smith. Next hit. Yankee, Gary Sanchez. Your next hit is a Daniel Robertson for the Athletics, the Oakland A's. Yeah, one for the house there a couple cards ago. Anthony Ronaldo for the Red Sox. Red Sox on the board. Box 3, guys, coming up. Just so everybody knows, this obviously will be recorded and available to watch immediately following the break. 1 pack, empty box. So, if you miss anything or you feel like you missed anything, you can catch it right on the Ustream channel or on YouTube. It'll be immediately uploaded. And I always do a recap at the end, usually, so they don't forget. First hit, Jake Barrett, Diamondbacks, Jersey Auto. Jake Barrett, Diamondbacks, Jersey Auto. And we have a redemption. Rookie autograph of Yordana Ventura. I'll be honest on that one. If someone could confirm the team on that one, it's not ringing a bell right now. I'm sure I know it, but Ventura. Redemption. Next hit. DJ Peterson. It's a Mariners hit. Next hit is for the Braves, Jose Peraza. That is numbered 93 out of 99. Royals, thanks guys. Ventura, Royals for the redemption. And Daniel Palka for the Diamondbacks. Okay, last box, guys. Good luck. Let's pull a nice big gem. One pack, empty box. First hit, guys, is a Royals hit. Almonte Miguel, Jersey Auto. Jersey Auto for the Royals. This guy's playing pretty good right now. We got a Colton Wong. Colton Wong. It's pretty hot right now. He's been on fire lately. Nice Colton Wong there. Your next hit is for the Blue Jays, Roberto Osuna. Blue Jays hit. Blue Jays on the board. Next hit. The Oakland A's, Renato Nunez. And the last hit, guys, for the Rockies, Tom Murphy. Tom Murphy. I'm going to run through all the hits again right now with a quick hit recap. Starting first will be that fourth box. Tom Murphy, rookie auto. Renato Nunez, rookie auto. Roberto Osuna, the Blue Jays. Colton Wong. Jersey auto. Royals, Miguel Almonte. Daniel Palka for the Diamondbacks. Jose Peraza, Braves, 93 and a 99. DJ Peterson, Mariners. And Jake Barrett, Diamondbacks, jersey auto. Anthony Bernardo for the Red Sox. Daniel Robertson for the Oakland A's. Gary Sanchez, Yankees. Dominic Smith, the Mets, 7/75. Carlos Correa, Astros, jersey auto. Jake Lamb, Diamondbacks. Javier Baez, 30/50. Cubbies. Miguel Sano, Twins. Byron Buxton, Twins. And the last hit was Maikel Franco, jersey auto. And we also had a redemption for you, Donna Ventura for the Royals. That's your hit recap, guys. Once again, thanks for breaking the cardboard hobby. I will continue to be live, so stick around. Thanks again, guys.